How I draw Shattered Stars wolf eyes in my animation software. Boom, solid color. And now just take like a darker shade of that same color and do the shadows. And remember, when you're doing an eye, picture it kind of like almost like a bowl of some sorts. If the light is coming from this direction, then that means the highlights are going to be down here and the shadows are going to be up here. And just give it a little bit of form. I mean, no two eyes are ever really the same. So now for our highlights, I kind of do a little bit of definition, the pupil somewhat, just to help make it stand out. And then for the highlights down here, a lot of times I just do kind of this kind of motion. Just putting a little highlight, give it a little definition. Then I always do a couple highlights up here, which would be, so imagine if the eye has a roundness shape to it and our light's coming from up here. So we just got a couple little highlights over this dark part. Helps to really kind of define it. And then for the last little finishing touch, get a white color, or very light color, and add a few highlights. Now, the funny thing about these highlights is a lot of times I'll use them to actually direct, in a sense, where the eye is like looking at. I don't know if that makes sense. But sometimes you can kind of use these white highlights to give an extra definition of what direction that eye is looking in. And now I've got an eye that is ready to animate.